purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see... Everett, where's a brown bear? Brown bear. Good. Ezra, can you find the red bird?
Ezra.
Can you find the red bird, Ezra?
Red bird.
Here, put Thomas down so you can concentrate.
There it is. Maddie, where's the yellow duck? Blue horse. Blue horse. Green frog, Everett.
No jumping on the couch. Sit down, you guys. No
Purple
jumping on the
cat,
furniture.
Ezra.
Sorry, honey, don't jump.
Purple cat.
I got it.
You got it? There we go. Ezra, how about the white dog? Where's the dog? The white dog.
Ezra, put something down so you can point.
I saw with his eyes. Black sheep.
Pointed with his nose.
Good. And goldfish? Goldfish. Where's the fish? The fish. It's okay, I'll cut it in a minute. Alright, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Good. Good job.